What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And then today, we're going to talk about the benefits of joining a host travel agency. So if you're looking to get into the travel industry and you're trying to become a travel agent, hey, you need to listen up. You do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So, you are trying to become a travel agent online. So, here's why we recommend joining a host travel agency. Now, before we get into that, you can do this on your own. You can put all the resources together, go around the internet, do your research, gather all these suppliers together, okay? Gather all the trainings together, build a booking engine site, okay, for your clients to book their cruises, their vacation packages, whatsoever. You can do all this on your own, but guess what? You don't have to. It's time consuming. And that's the reason for joining a host travel agency. Okay, that's one of the reasons. Okay, so imagine all of this put at your fingertips up under one umbrella, okay? With a host travel agency, you don't have to worry about trying to build a website, trying to put together a booking engine. You don't have to worry about trying to gather all of these suppliers together so for your travel clients. You don't have to worry about coding and technical stuff dealing with websites. And, all that's taken care of, okay? You don't even have to worry about the trainings, okay? Which training to take, which direction to go in, certain trainings you need to take to get certified, all this stuff. You don't have to worry about none of that, because the good thing about a host agency, guys, like I said, everything is up under one umbrella, meaning you don't have to waste time looking for research, looking for stuff. Everything you need to book travel is right at your fingertips. Now, second reason why there's good benefits in joining a host travel agency. You don't have to wait to become certified. As soon as you enroll with a host travel agency, you immediately share that certification, okay? You immediately become certified. You enroll today, you can book travel today, okay? I hope I'm making it plain. I hope I'm making sense. So guys, there are huge benefits of joining a host travel agency. Do not try to do this on your own, especially if you're brand new, don't have any experience. Okay, a host travel agency is good for those who don't have any experience and they new to the travel industry and they want to earn while they learn, okay? So guys, if you're serious about the travel industry and you want to get inside and want to get involved and you want to figure out which best host agency is it to join, I have a free presentation that I want to share with you all. So click that link below the video. Watch this free presentation to learn more, okay? See how you can benefit by joining this host agency that we're a part of. This is what we recommend, and we've been having phenomenal success. Everything is easy and to understand, and you have tons of support, okay? So click that link below, watch that free presentation, and leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about the presentation, all right? So if you like this video, you found value, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Tell us what you thought about the video. All right, we'll see you on the other side. Watch that video. All right, bye-bye. Happy traveling.